safety cameras
All right, set it back up.
are being used here.
Here we go. We're going up on the water slide for the boys' travel.
Here's the wolf howling at the moon.
Whoa, look at those wands.
Tub. No. Cheese.
That was awesome!
Don't yank it. You lift up, then down.
Move it around. No, move the up. The up.
I filmed it.
What's up? What's up?
Go, Brady, go look at it with him. Ooh, that is kind of cold.
Pick out my drone.
Do you think he could take it out here?
Yeah, probably.
But he's
Just don't fly it into the water.
Is he gonna crash land it into the water? There's water on both sides.
I don't know. Hopefully it has GPS so it stays wherever it goes.
Daddy, you have to help.
Who's that?
You can't. Okay, maybe you can.
Get over here, sea monster.
You just missed it. Where's Lolan? That was crazy.
And we're having some fun.
Lolo! Lolo, where you going? Oh, I almost knocked his glasses off. Look, they're all full of water. Hello.
Look at the sky climbing thing. Look. I'm going on that with you.
We're so excited. We're here on a weekday in February, so I'm thinking it looks like we're gonna have the place to ourselves, which would be insane. That means that we can ride the water slides over and over and over again without waiting. Test their wands and see if they're working. Okay.
When you're down this far south, it's almost pointless to have a Great Wolf Lodge indoor water park because right now it's hot enough that I would be enjoying myself at the beach. Although the water might be a little cold. Not that cold though.
We're meant to be friends.
So where are you sleeping?
On top of it.
We gotta find Mootsy.
Hello, my friends, and welcome to our Jammy Jamboree. My name is Jocelyn, and I will be your host for tonight alongside my friends Ari and Sophia.
No, I want to do golf.
Hold on, Logan.
Is Benji gonna get more than me?
It's his birthday, of course. That was majestic. Oh, there's Sky Beach.
Going low, lower than our ones that are at the house. Thank you. Mom, can you lift up the front wheel?
Not really.
Benji, we got
Okay, it should hold the door.
but not as
Go in
high.
the room.
There's my two cuties. Where are we going, boys?
We're going to the wolf ride. We're going to the wolf ride. No.
I got their Magi wands.
Oh, nice.
Mom, can I have mine? I want mine.
I've got presents for you guys. Lift up the camera because you're filming the floor.
Here's a room.
We're gonna go check it out in a little bit, but we're just getting settled in and unpacking our bags and getting our swim trunks on, really. Right, Bubba?
Yep.
Oh!
I'll open up some presents.
Where should we post up? In between the slides and the wave pool? Let's go buy the baby stuff, post up.